In my previous video, I've shown you how to change your Instagram name and username on your phone, and someone in the comments asked me whether it's possible to change using a browser such as Google Chrome. The short answer is yes, and I'm gonna show you how. Go to your browser and on the address bar type instagram.com, enter. You have to log in and then click on your profile icon to go to your profile page. Here you could see edit profile, click on it, but here you won't see any options to change username and name, but the trick is to select see more in accounts center. Here it would show you all your meta profiles. Select the profile that you want to change, and here you could see the option to change the name. So click on it, type in your new name, and then click on done. Similarly, click on username, change it to your new username, and once again click on done. And in this way we were able to change both the name and the username on a browser. If this video helped you, please don't forget to like and subscribe to support my channel, and if you have got any questions, please let me know in the comments below.